In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a deep voice in ElevenLabs quickly and easily using a few simple settings and prompt adjustments that can make a huge difference in your final audio. If you want your voiceovers to sound lower, richer, and more powerful, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to get there. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open ElevenLabs and go to your voice selection area. If your goal is a deeper sound, start by choosing a low-pitch bass voice. Voices like Adam or Antoni are great options because they already have a naturally deeper tone compared to higher, lighter voices. This gives you a much better starting point before you make any adjustments. Once you've selected your voice, go into the voice settings and look for Style Exaggeration. This is one of the most useful controls when you want more dramatic expression and a stronger vocal character. Try increasing Style Exaggeration gradually and listen to how the voice changes. A higher setting can help the voice sound more intense, more present, and more powerful overall. Now let's move to stability. If you lower the stability slider, you allow the voice more variation and emotional range. This can help create a more dramatic, less flat delivery, which often makes the voice feel deeper and more natural in context. Just be careful not to drop it too low, because too much variation can make the voice sound inconsistent. A good approach is to make small adjustments and preview the result until you find the balance you want. Next, the text you type into ElevenLabs matters more than people realize. To really push the voice toward a deep delivery, use descriptive prompting in your script. Add phrases like deep, booming, resonant bass, or rich low voice to guide the tone you want. These descriptions help shape the performance and can influence how the output feels. For example, instead of just typing a plain sentence, you can write it in a way that suggests the exact vocal style you want. That combination of a low-pitch bass voice, higher style exaggeration, lower stability, and strong descriptive prompting is the key to getting the best deep voice results in ElevenLabs. If you're not happy with the first attempt, keep testing different combinations. Sometimes a small change in the voice choice or prompt wording can make the final result sound much deeper and more polished. And if you want the most professional outcome, save your favorite settings so you can reuse them for future projects like voiceovers, gaming content, storytelling, or faceless YouTube videos. That's the full process for getting a deep voice in ElevenLabs fast and easy. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.